Thank you so much for having me. I had a fabulous time with the students. It was amazing to teach so many people the art of grooming the poodle. This is an absolutely amazing facility, from the students' grooming to the veterinarian offices. The completeness of the equipment was absolutely fascinating. Then add on to that all the therapies, the therapy pool, the water treadmill, the training area. It is truly a world-class facility. I absolutely love teaching, so to be invited to Japan to a top facility like this to teach is truly an honor, and I'm very grateful to be invited. The students were very interested in the seminar, and everything was very professional and warm and friendly at the same time. So for the students who are graduating and leaving this facility, they have the whole world ahead of them. They have learned from a world-class facility, and they could go on, and I wish them great success in anything they choose to do.